theory or calculations. So let us see how we can solve this challenge, and we are trying to attempt these questions. So let us jump into the question. We see what we can to solve. So the first challenge, the table below shows the data for ginger orange juice style. Using a suitable spreadsheet program, produce the data below and use it to perform the following task. This is the table they just produced, and they want us to use this one to produce something like this. So let us go to our spreadsheet and we try to type these things and we make exact table like this, or we try to form this work and this format. So let me go to my Excel. I've typed already here. This is my data, but it's not organized the way like it is appearing here. So let me try to organize it. I can begin with the first row containing the title. I can see it is merged and centered, so let me first do that. And this is my first row. Then I first highlight and I select where I want to stop, then I merge and center. Click there, it will do automatically. Let me go and see this one. I think wrap text was applied here, so let me go to and select this from here up to here. I apply wrap text, can see. Maybe let me go here and launcher button, I make it thick, then I click OK. Okay. Let me try to adjust and I see that I can see the change or not seeing the change. So let me try to adjust manually and I see wrap text. Yes, that is it. Click there and it comes. So let me try to adjust this. If I'm too keen, I can see the words were aligned at the top of the cell. So let me try to do that. Align at the top of the cell. That is it. So another part, this one also align the cell. You can see it is wrap text. Go to your Excel, this cell. I select up to here. I do wrap text. Then and adjust here, and I see I wrap text. It is highlighted. Then from there it is also aligned at the top of the cell. So from there the left blank line, it is okay. Then we go here, this column heading also wrap text, so we go here and then apply wrap text. So after that I adjust manually here, yes, I think like that. Then you can check. Okay, that is it. That is it. So let me go and check which other can see. Yes, they okay. Now let us go and use to attempt the first answer, the first question. Using this data, type the appropriate formula in this cell, in cell D6 to calculate the total cost for Monday, which is a cup made, and copy it cells the D7 to D11 for Tuesday to Saturday. let us go to D6 and we see what is there. This is D6. They said we calculate. So total cost. Total cost means here they give us cost price, and that is orange juice per cup. This is cost for 1 cup. This is also cost for 1 cup. But the difference is this one is cost, that is input, the expense we use to make 1 cup. This is the amount we use to make 1 cup. If we finish to make a 1 cup juice, then we sell at this price. So if we are to calculate the total cost, we shall say this 40 for 1 cup, then we lock it because we don't want to multiply downward. So we lock it, pressing F4 key, it will lock. So multiply by oranges cups made by Monday. So we multiply by that one. So I say first check this one, I lock, then multiply by this number of cups made on Monday. So after there I press enter. They said we autofill. This is what we want. So this sale, that is also here. Let us sell equals the cups they sold. We lock it, then multiply by what the cups we sold that on Monday. Then we press enter, and this is the cups. So if we are to catch it profit or loss, we shall say equals and the sales we sold, then minus the cost, the money the expense. There we can get profit, or we can know that we have profit or we made loss. So that is it. So select, then we try to autofill. So from there, after calculating the format, let us go and see the question. They said type the formula in E6 that is finished, and we finished that one. Selling and the orange is made. Copy to, we finished that one. In cell F6 to F11, capture the property, we finished that one. Then format all currencies to have Uganda shillings symbols before the value. So we go to our table, we just highlight. Remember, these are number of juices cups made, but this is a currency. So from there I can select even this, that is also cost. So from there I can go to currency, but remember we want Uganda shillings. So we come here to launcher button, we go to more symbols, and we try to look for Uganda shillings, and from there we can scroll. I can see Uganda shillings is here, but let me reduce it to 0 decimal, and if there is a negative value, I would like just to be unique by eliminating that negative, and I want to replace negative value, that is loss, by this format. It is not good to show negative values in as color, so let me choose that format and select. So whenever you see negative, is meaning this is red, this is negative. So that is how we can make it. So I can double click here to adjust, even here to adjust. So that is it. Here let me go to question. You see, they said use appropriate function to compute the grand total in law 13. So I can go to my Excel, I sum up I use function called sum equals sum. Let me select it. I sum up the number, the total apps made. I close, then press enter. I will just autofill. Excel will just help me to calculate the whatever it is above. So that is it. But remember here this currency. So I will select this format. I'll come here and I will drag to apply this format here. So they will apply that format. So here the number of this, I don't want that format. I come here and I clear format. They are just numbers of format. I want currency here. So that is it. Another part, make the title 22 bold in blue color. Fill your little fill your title with the light green. So 22 bold blue green. So this is our title. We select it. They said little, no, it's light. I think that is light. Font, they said blue. We use that one, blue. They say bold. They said 22 here. 22 here. So I think that is it. I think this one is navy blue. We select blue here. Blue. That is a good blue. So from there we go to question. They said format the width of the column A to 10.2 points and the height of the low 13 to 16.6. 13A. So let me go to my Excel. Column A, it is this one. They said we format it to column width. This is column width to 22.2. Enter. So low 13, they said low 13, that is column, that is low height. They said 16.6. Enter. So that is it. Another question, they said in cell F3 calculate the second highest profit. F3, the second highest profit. If they specify the second highest, they don't want the first, they want the second highest profit made. So we go to F3. Here is F3. We say equal sign. Since they said specified which one is large, so we use large function. Tab. So equals large. Tab. Select. This is the profit we want to get from the second largest, comma, then we specify which one, the first or the second. They said the second largest, so press enter. So this is the second largest. We copy the format, think the format, use format painter, copy the format. Yes. We have changed something. I think here must be in core. I think this one must be wrap text. Wrap text must be applied there. I'm not mistaken. Yes, wrap text. So that is it. The second is another part is check the grand total with orange background color. So we go to grand total, we try to shade it, that is fill orange. I think this is the orange, this orange. So that is it. Another part, insert a border, the whole document hence with thick line blue outside and the thin red inside. We go to our Excel, we select the entire work, border, more border, more border, thick blue outside, then thin red inside. You can see the preview. We click OK. I think that is our, this is the work they wanted. Maybe let us go to another question. Yes, finished. That one is finished. Let us go to another part. Create a new sheet, rename it as your name, and enter the data below. So this is the data they gave us. They want us to put on a new sheet. So let me go to my Excel, try to type this data and like the way it is. I can see the first one in the first column, the first three headings, they are in wrap text. If I'm not, yes, wrap text. Yes, somehow wrap. Yes, I can miss. If you consider the height can tell you that this is wrap text. However, this one they are their way, but wrap text and they are on top of the cell. So let us go. This is my data. I try to type it and it is that way. So you can try to like format or to fit the web height. So from there you can see, you can apply wrap text here. If I apply wrap text, you can see the way the height has changed. So that is it. Let us go to our question. Unit price was organized and net price. Let us go and make it unit price. Let us adjust it goes like that. Even this one to wrap text. So from there let us see what is next. Let me go to the question. You can see here I think everything is okay. Let us go and answer the questions. They said add two low headings from cell A18 downwards. So which is having highest and lowest. So from A18 downwards. So let us go here. We add from A18, that is highest, then 19 is the lowest. That is what they wanted. So let us go to another question. Hence determine the value for in respect to quantity and unit price respectively. So we go here and calculate the gross pay in respect to quantity and unit price. So let us say equal sign this quantity, that is how many you sold, like you have the Desco 40 unit, mean one piece cost 800. So if you want to get the gross, the total of it, that Deso, you multiply how many, that is the number, like you have 40 multiplied by each one costed 800. So we multiply by 800, then we go the you get that gross pay, the money, the total cost or the total sale. So from there, let us go to the question. They said hence determine the gross sale for each time using a value from B above. Determine the commission, given the commission is 10% of the gross sales. So when I go to my question, I can type it a 10 somewhere and make it in percentage. So in a certain cell, I say, okay, commission is equal 10%, which is here. I lock my that cell. I don't want to shift. So from there, they said multiply or is of gross pay. So I multiply with this because they said in the question and determine the commission, given that the commission is 10% of gross sales. So I just multiply with the gross sales since I have it. So I press enter and I get the answer to fill, then I get the rest. So I go to the next part. Next part is net sales are given as difference between gross and the commission. So net sales or for each item commission, it is given difference meaning subtraction. So let us go to our Excel. We say equals, they say subtraction from this minus. Remember when they say from, that is the first thing, commission. So commission last. So and we press enter, we autofill, then we try to get for the rest. So that is it. Let us go to next part. They said I think that is it. Give it the difference from between this. So add a new column for new net sales, given that the discount is 15 in this column. Determine the new net sale for each item. So I go to my Excel, I create a new column. I create a new column that is control plus a new column that is control plus, or insert a column. Then from here I can say new net price So that is it. I can try this. I can try to adjust this. From here they said here, from the question they said we add that column, add the new column for new net sales, given that the discount is 15%. Yes, so I was 0. Double click. I want to remove this and replace it with cell. So I will say here equal. Let me try to delete. I'll try to highlight on one, then equals. They said 15%. I'm assuming I have 15% somewhere. Let me write it here. Let me write it here. Maybe I'll write it here. Okay. Equals 15%. My 15%, I'll write it here. I lock that cell. F4 times my gross pay, gross sale, then I say equal sign. So since I have nothing here, my sale, this one, so it is giving me a 0. So I put 15%. 15%. So they give me the answer here. So from here I will say this one was commission percent, then here discount is out percent. So that is it. Discount percent, that is it. So from here, remember they said new net sales, so I would have clicked there. This is just my money in 15%, my discount in simple term. So this is my discount, but remember they told us our Chrome need to get new net sales. So from, if I want to get net sales, I will say gross pay minus my calculated discount. This is, remember, this is the discount we calculated. So gross sales minus my calculated discount, then you'll be able to get new net sales. So enter, then I'll autofill to get the answer, the rest of the answer. So that is it. Maybe let us go to question. We see another or create another one. Yes, they said create a new sheet and rename it as vendor, hence enter the data as it is shown below. This is the name, this is our table. You can see it has total average. So let us try to go to our Excel and we try to take the way this data is appearing here. So we go to our Excel, we see vendor is here. I try to type like the way it is. So let me try to make adjustment here. You can see 10%, then it's there. Here it is, maybe area black. Yes, I think so. Let me go to my Excel and I first change this one, area black, maybe all bold. I can decide, let me use area black, I think, like that. This one is in percentage, I can change into percentage. Then, and what is ours? Let me go to my question. I think that is it. Let us try to answer the first part. Calculate the total average and average sale for each street vendor. So we go to our Excel, we calculate for the total average. Yes, so let us go here, equal sign. We want to get what you call autos, we want to get what you call total average commission. So here I want total. I come here to auto sum, I get my sum, then I press enter. I come here, I go to my auto sum, I get average, then I make an adjustment. This time around I don't want to begin from here, I want to select up here, then I press enter, and that is, I think, average. Yes, this is average. So that is it. I autofill, get the rest, autofill, get the rest. So that is it. I make sure, maybe it's okay. Let us go to the next part. Next part is using this absolute cell reference, calculate the commission based on total com using commission rate of 10% kept in B14, cell B14. So we go to our Excel, we look for words B14, I think B14 here. We calculate this according to the total from the total. So they said commission is of total, 10% of total. So we say equal this times 10%, or you can begin with this percentage. You lock F4, then times the total. Here is our total. So we press enter, we autofill, then we come here. Highest means maximum, that is maximum. Press enter. No, that's not much. Maximum, I want maximum. Okay, so I come here, I go to my autofill sum. There is maximum. I don't want up to here. I will make the adjustment up to here. I'll press enter, then I autofill minimum. I come here, I go to auto sum. There is mean, he already function. I want to adjust, I want up to here, so enter, get the answer. Or you can write, you can type their mean, and you get the same thing. So let us go to our question. You see our question, another part. Another part is describe this, determine the highest cell that is finished, determine the lowest that is finished. So the name of street vendor in ascending, and change the orientation from portrait to, this is from portrait to landscape. So we come here to our Excel, sort, you just click there, right click, then sort, and they said from what, ascending, that is from ascending, that is F to Z. Then you sort like that, it will come automatically. Then another thing, what else, the rest you can leave for now. We leave them now. Changing orientation, we shall see orientation. Just go to your spreadsheet, come to page layout, I think, then there is orientation, then it is landscape. They said landscape. Okay, the question was changing from portrait to landscape. By default is in landscape, so don't need to change anything, just leave the way it is. Align the Chrome heading to 14 degree. Just go to here and go to home tab, where it is alignment, click on the launcher button, you click here, you just write 45, you click enter, it will do automatically. So make a background of to yellow and font color, any font color you can change the font color. So we go to our Excel, we make the background of this work to yellow. Let us select the right yellow. This is light, this is a light accent for good. No, this is yellow, but we can go to more colors. We select a light yellow, I think is here. I think this one too, there's too much dark. Okay, select any yellow, and we custom, let me customize. Yes, we make it light. Okay, I think that is it. Then they said a font of any choice. We can change this font color. We make this one what? Red. Red. Let us make red can sound okay. Then what else? That question, they said create a new sheet, rename it. Okay, before we leaving that one, you can make it in border to make the work organized. You make it just all borders. Then okay, we can go to another question and we see what is telling us to do. So another question, create a new sheet and rename it as tests. So our create a new sheet is here, and we renamed already, it is there. So we go to the following students set for their term 2 examinations in math, computer studies, and commerce, and they obtained the following marks. John got 40 in math, 20 in computer, and 40 in commerce. Mary got that 19 math, 16 computer and certain commerce. Then we have got 75 in math and 76 computer and got 19 in commerce. Someone got 55 in math, 40 in computer and 80 in commerce. Paul got 50 in math, 20 in computer and 35 in commerce. Albert got 15 math, 16 computer and 15 commerce. Use any spreadsheet program of your choice. Enter the above data, or your name should be in column A. Use a formula to compute the total for each student and put them in column E. Then sort the data entered in the column E in descending order. So we go to our Excel and we rename, we create and we rename test, and we try to type that data the way it was represented in word problem. So this is what I have now. I typed in A column this and this. So from the question they said we use this in A to create how many students, then we make our work, we give you work in profession look. So from there we supposed to make this organized word problem to a well organized and presentable spreadsheet. So I typed in this way. I give the I put even the title so I can center, I can merge and center. So I give it a fill color of my choice. I'm just trying to make my work professional. I can change the font of this, I can bold and change even the font of my choice and select even the color. I can give it red, and from there I can increase even the font from there. So from there I can even make this all well appear. Then I can just change the font to Arial black, make them maybe big. Then I try to like auto, like to give the, maybe I can fill them with something unique, differentiating it from the title. Which color I think let me leave it the way it is, avoid the confusion. Then from there let me give a color for my choice. Maybe can give this, can give that one. So from there I can make this middle centered. So I'm just making my work appearing, but let me align this one by default. I align center, so I align it on right, so to show that they are balanced. So from there they say they add a column for total. I can even go on and they add for position, then from there I can copy the format here, format, and I apply here. No, it's supposed to be up to here. Okay, let me undo. So from here I try to highlight up to there, then I merge and center, this. So I should select everything and I merge and center. I want to merge and center, that is it. Then I try to put here position, enter. So from here I can calculate total from auto sum, then undo. Okay, here auto sum. I think let me press enter, that is it. That is it, I think. Then let me autofill to get the rest. Position, can use rank average. This one, rank average is there. Let me use this one. Rank average, you give a list of number of size relative to other value in the list. Let me use this one. Function that available and area, so return the rank number list. So they have updated this one too. Maybe this one I select this one, update, but maybe I select the number, then reference number is here, then number is here, reference comma, then reference in this one, that is the reference, then comma, order. I think I want from descending, then close, enter. So this is the position of all these guys. So if I rank them, I can see this one with greater marks, they got better rank, and see the position, their position. So that is how you can give position. Average, you can also add average, you can add maximum, you can add everything to make your work well organized, appealing. So the rest, average, maximum, the mean, and the others you can make it by yourself. This is maybe rank. You can use rank average. When you have average, you use average. Then rank without anything, that is using total. Then what else? Let us go to a question to see whether we can add something. They said we use a formula to compute it, and that is done. How many students got D1, and that leaves us for if that is the logic part. Then orientation degree, this is orienting the work, and this is the orientation alignment. We give 40, 45, 45, enter. That is it. All borders, then it's okay. Thanks for watching.